Ijogo, yeah. Ijogo, yeah. What you want, Jojo? Ijogo, yeah. And you want Jogo, yeah. And if you know the girl, I like to get the food. Odupa, Olua, yeah. Joy is coming, joy is coming.
So basically, guys, yesterday I was not able to record because of network. So this is 5 a.m. April 7. So basically, I have two POI, which is this blue line, then this blue line. Those are my two POI. I'm looking at price reacting from this POI, then going up. But price will react from here. But this is what will lead it to. This is what will lead it to go up, like from here, like this, then to go up. Now, if it doesn't break it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to check our Notion trader. Read my book. I don't want to read my book. Check for news. Okay, let's check for news. So we have 130 news. So from 130, we have to be like careful when we are trading. So then click chart out on that. Analyze from bigger time frame, market structure. First buy or sell pullback. So let's do that. First buy or sell pullback. On this lane, right, on this lane, like this is quarter flow. This is the first pullback. But now this is the first overall pullback in the 4 hours time from this. On this lane, this is the first pullback. Then first sell pullback. There's no pullback for sell yet. There's no pullback like first pullback. So check on even in the 1 hour, there's no first pullback. So I'll leave it at that. I'm not going any further. Alright, definitely in 15 minutes, all this is gonna change. you can see, it did. This is no longer the first pullback. This instead is, for either way, 4 hours is more stronger than any other hour. And then this is the first pullback for a sell, right? Okay, no, this is the first pullback for a sell. So leave it at that. Then everything for that. So as long as price has not taken this, it's a sell. Then next we have, no, let me just minimize this. So back to our 1 hour. Then swing high and low. For now, I'll say no swing high for a sell position. Let me say 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we have a swing high. So I think we're going to focus on 15 minutes now because there is no further confirmation in the 1 hour or 4 hours. So for me, this is my high, low rather than my high. Yeah. Yeah. So this is my high. Then first pullback. Let me do my first pullback on this one. First pullback for a buy. So I'm at this low. Mark this one so low. Then swing high and low. Also swing. And then market took it back, it went down. So market's supposed to react from for me. This one is a very strong one. Let's see what we are saying. Last supply, last demand. Under block, strong engagement, weak engagement. That's the last demand. So as you can see, after market broke out this one here, Market came back. After market broke it down, market came back to retest. They went up. At first, initially, I wanted to make my entry from here, from this one here, from this one here like this, and then drop, right? And then drop, so this. But eventually, price already swept here, so I'll look for another buyer. So let me readjust this to cost number 40. Then we have this one. Is this a low? Let me check. 4659410. 4659455. 4659500. Let's keep up. So I'm looking at this. So what do we have here? We have an order flow. Row, 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 and row. Right. So let's undo everything. So mosquitoes coming from this time. So that's my eye. So far there's nothing in the 15 minute anymore. If this goes up like this, then I'll enter open from here. And it's gonna target here. And then it's gonna drop. So basically that's what I'm saying. I'll take 1 hour first. I wonder why the price action is dropping. Strong inducement, weak inducement. Today is a weak inducement here. This weak inducement. Don't ask me why. Liquidity sweep. Price have swept liquidity put bounce inside AMD. AMD 1 minute smaller time frame contest. POI candlestick reversal. Candlestick reversal is important, and then 1 minute time frame. Already about AMD. Combination already. This is a manipulation of this. However, today is a 15 minutes. Yes, so I don't know if price already tapped this or whether this is a tap. I don't know if this is a tap already for this. 20 minutes already analyzing. I don't know if this is a tap because this is an Indian. Look at that. Let's say I had entered. Let's say this was my entry. For example, I would have been in profit. Massive profit. For sure. But that wasn't my interest, so I think if I would have entered this trade, I would have entered somewhere around 4 minutes. So when someone says that, oh, I don't understand, or I've not seen an entry, I'm like, what? You want to trade, you don't see entry. What stopped you from going to the lower time frame? Like literally, what stopped you from going to the lower time frame? So there's always entry. Okay, not saying 24 hours. If you go to the 15 minutes, you're gonna see entry. Look at that. So if I was to enter now, I would have entered here at this one. Yeah, can you see? I've entered the sniper, and then price would have gone because, but I doubt if price will also come down. Why? Remember, part of our POI says AMD, that is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So if you look at this is an accumulation. Yes, and then this supposedly a manipulation. I said maybe the manipulation wants to be wide. They probably should, yeah, accept that. And it's valid though, because on the norm, price supposed to react from somewhere, right? But now, if price is breaking this, price will sweep this. If price is sweeping this would be the next resistance point. So you can see that price reacted from a beautiful, which is the other block that failed into a breaker block. Now this is an invalid inducement because why? This inducement entered this POI. You see this other block, the inducement entered it, so it's not valid. So if you wanted to enter this trade, you will not enter it, right? If you want to enter this trade, you enter as this sweep of this swing. Except this, so all this now. So all this now like this are valid inducement because why? Did not touch this PUI. So as you can see, when price was coming down, price now touched this PUI. So trading is very simple. You can see that they close. So anybody that entered from here and risks 4645. This is even 1 pip. I'm not sure it's even up to. That's crazy. Move on to 1 pip. So let's make it 2 pips because reasonable speaking. So nobody wants to enter that. So this is 1.57 or $2. So if you are risking $2 on this trade, you are seeing let's say 4655. I see like $10 to $15 in this trade. So and that's a good reward if you would ask me. So but don't forget our entry zone is here. Since it has gone. The only way this will not be valid again is if price sweeps here, then this will not be valid anymore. It will not just be valid, this will not be valid anymore. Market is going to do something like this, then like this, and then oop, kill everybody. So you see why it's good. Anytime when you enter a trade, it's actually good. You get me? It's actually good. Anytime when you enter a trade, I don't know what people say, oh, trade in the 1 hour, stop trading in the 5 minutes or the whatever minute, don't trade. I don't buy that though, because if you are to use stop loss in the 1 hour, the stop loss in the 1 hour will be higher that if you want to enter that same trading in 1 minute, you feel me? So it's not better you enter multiple position like two position and get out of the market than for you to leave a particular trade with a wide stop loss. Anyone sha, but I hate when people invalidate a particular thing because it doesn't work out for them. Shey you get. Now if I was to enter this trade now, I just entered the market around 5 o'clock. This is approximately 5:39. So if I had entered this trade now from here, right, in under less than 1 hour, I've seen my money and I'm out of the market. Now imagine if I open 0.05 in this trade. 0.05 times 15. How much is that? That's around $70 or so, right? 5 times 15, 25, 5. No, that is $70. $75. That's $75 I would have seen just this morning in less than 1 hour. So now I'm done. Than for you to say, okay, you want to start waiting for 1 hour, and then when you're waiting for 1 hour, you get passes like that, you get so then you maybe probably maybe you're waiting for a year now. Maybe yeah, you're waiting 1 hour. Every 1 hour you'll be checking the chat. Before you know it, market will pass you by. Market is not to leave you alone. And you're not be happy about that. And look at the stop loss from here now. Let's say you want to use all this other block. This is $16 stop loss. $15 stop loss to see how much, right? So this is like 1:3 or 1:4. So this is 3 raised to the world, 1:3. And does it make sense? No, it doesn't, because the market stop here at some time. Then almost like very bigger thing. So except people don't like this. Mm-hmm. And the same trade I caught with this 1 hour, I can as well catch it in the 1 minute. In the 1 minute. And then probably I will not use up to this, I will just like that. And I'll see my risk reward. But because I don't get time frame, you know see the big picture. No, sha. Everybody with their kettle. So this is it. Sha. I think market is gonna soak this. But market is kind of accumulating. I don't like that. It's always market also accumulates, yeah. I don't like that. Anyway, if this was to go up, my next entry would be, I'm not analyzing BTC. So yeah, that's where my next entry will be. If I'm to enter in this manipulation of one, hmm. Then if price is short this, then this will hold. Even after, but everything sure, you just have to keep watching before you enter. If even if I'm asleep and then I want to enter, what is 30 minutes, and I want to enter this price contest, right? I will see what price did leading to this place, like leading to here like this. I'll see what price did before I decide if I'm gonna enter here or not. So you can see price have manipulated. Oh shit. You see, it's what I told you. Price now reacted from here. Price already saved it. You see my confluence is playing out. Price now accepts this. And when price swept it, see price came up, guys. This is this is price swept it now look like a manipulation, but then we're gonna have our distribution downward. So that is how trading works again. So if you look at this now in the 5 minutes, you see that this was a swing. Can you see? This was a swing. I remember our pure eye is swing highs and lows. So this was a swing in the 5 minutes. Can you see? So after a swing, price supposed to react greatly. So price will react. Could be probably here or here. But price should react from here. And if price does not react and price go up, we're about to see a change of character. But price will react from here. Let's say from here like this. Let me explain something. Because why? This is a swing. Definitely price will clear this thing out. Yes. So price should, this is a swing. Let me show you guys something. This is a swing. Can you see? The price went up here, take it out, and then we'll see a drop. If it doesn't happen that way, then we'll reanalyze and see what's supposed to happen in the market. See again. This is a trade I would have taken. This was a trade I would have taken. Right? So that is all. For the market, it's a trade I would have taken. But another thing is that you need to look at the order flow that is happening. So if to say I was to take this trade and enter to position, this is where I would have taken my profit around here. Why? Because when price came to this order block, it reacted from it. Then if price should call me, price will come to this order block around from it. Okay. And if price does not break this, then from here, price is gonna go up. So everything is just, as you can see for me, I don't think in probability I raise the loss. So that's just it. So we'll see how this goes, guys. So bye. So as you can see, market broke this. Market broke this. So any kind of character equates to market coming down here. You know, so as you can see, this trade was a win. Now if you look at this side, You see, market tapped it and go down. See that? So this one is also valid. But since market broke it, this buy line hold. Oh, we have a win here on this trade. A win. So that's just how it works. Okay, so guys, this trade actually stopped me out again. So I guess this second trade was a losing trade for me. I later figure out what happened along the line because I was not able to, or I overlooked a pullback. Right, I counted this line as a straight line, but meanwhile it is double line. I don't know how I'm gonna explain it. I saw this line as a straight line. Meanwhile, there was a pullback at that zone. So if there was a pullback at that zone, my entry was possibly the other block, right? So that wasn't my supposed to be. So that was my mistake. So I didn't even have so it was later that I was rechecking it. That I later saw what happened. As you can see, price reacted from those zones and went straight. So if I had shifted it and entered it, I would have been in profit. So that was my mistake. But I didn't believe this was even my normal account. I would have just been pressing buy without even looking at what went wrong and all of that. And then I'll end up blaming my account, which is crazy, you know. So on this segment, I was like, even if I had entered at that zone, this zone, I would have been in profitable. That would have been an aggressive trade and without a confirmation and anything could have happened. But it will also be a perfect time to enter the trade. But it's all good. As you can see, immediately it touched my CP, it started selling from there massively, guys, massively. And also, as you can see, that was also my set entry. So I did been had analyzed well for this buy that will not take. I would have been a massive profit. Shall not bad, shall the sell held massively, almost heading to TP. So guys, this trade actually went according to plan, but as you know, I did not take it because I'm in my monk moment, if I will call it. So basically, this trade went massively, but it did not reach my TP and it was reversing back to break even. I've not checked it again, but this is what I have so far. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.